as you already saw, you saw the picture, you saw the title, we are going to be doing a skincare review on
Jala Skin.
Oh, you never heard of it? Okay, I'm gonna tell you all about it. It's gonna be my 10-day trial, as I usually do for all of my skincares that I review. So I have the package right here. Okay, this box was bigger than I thought it would be. I saw this on Instagram and they had some great kits. So it is Black owned and it's an up and coming skincare line. I liked what I saw and I got the, let's get to it. Let's open it up. So it's never been open, but oh, when you open it up, it's like this. Oh, I like this little, oh, when it's heavy. I like this like white with the gold, like that gold, like gold and brown, like that's cute. I like simple but like nice looking things. How does this box? Snaps, we got, you know, I love me some confetti. Oh, nice. All right, of course, about to get into all these products. I like this little net. Oh, let's see the thank yous. Oh, so nice. So it says a thank you. So it's a 3-step beauty routine instructions. So they give me the instructions there. We're gonna look at the instructions. I was so close. Why was I so close? Anyway, we're gonna look at the instructions when we get into actually doing it. And they give a little discount code. I believe these are the founders. So yeah, all these products have like residue on it. You see the white on my fingers? I'm not sure why that happened. Yeah, like you can see on here, like it's just like sand on there. Hopefully inside is okay. I chose the youth kit. The other kits was more towards acne and dark spots. Unfortunately, I don't have that, but I do have some dry skin. When my skin gets dry, it can be very textured, it can be pilly. It'll just be weird because my skin would be dry, but like around this area would be very like oily. So hopefully this will help with that. But let's get into the product. We're gonna start with the Kiwi Hydra Foam Cleanser. So when I was looking at this, this was like the Kiwi line. You know, Kiwi is very hydrating. So I'm like, I have dry skin, so hopefully this would be the product for me, because the other ones, like I said, was towards other places that I do not have problems with. So go on the website. Like I said, there are many different kits that will dedicate to different like areas that you want to work on. Like the first one, it targets dark spots. The second one's the one I have, the youth kit. The bottom one is a growth kit, like actually put it on your hair, and then the one next to it is for acne. I have problems with hydration and keeping my face hydrated, especially because the weather is changing. So I be like, all right, y'all, I want to see what else, you know, works for my skin. So the ingredients is water, olive leaf juice, lavender hydrosol. We got hyaluronic acids. We got some seed oil, jojoba oil or jojoba oil, right? Sorry. And it smells like kiwi scent. Y'all know when I do a product, I'm smelling it first because it's all about the scent. I feel like when I smell the scent and it smells a little off, I feel like it's gonna make my skin a little off. You know, like if I smell like say for instance the Fenty, that had a scent to it. It was like a sweet natural scent. If I'm smelling this and it smell like something different, I don't know. Next thing we have is a serum. This serum is made with virgin coconut oil, South African Kalori melon oil, watermelon oil, a root powder, and it smells like light watermelon bubblegum scent. Oh. Okay. Next, the next one is the cucumber cool water. It has water, cucumber extract, cucumber hydrosol, glycerin, vitamin E, and it smells like cucumber cooling scent. Cucumber cooling scent. Okay. Let's get into it. Let's first talk about the packaging. Like I said, it is a upcoming small business and the package is not going to be perfect, like obviously, but I do like the size of the bottle and the labels are very nice. Let's wash my face, or let me wet my face so I can come back and show you guys, and let's start this because I want to see how it smells. I want to see everything about this product, so I'm about to be right back. So my face is wet. I got up close and personal just so we can see these products. See how my face looked before. I just had dry spots, middle of my forehead, and like on my chin area. Let me hurry up before this water dries. It do smell. It smells like some candy. Definitely smell like candy. And it says it leaves your skin fresh, firm, and radiant. So it dissolves very fast in my hands. I'm going to give me a little more. It's kind of liquidy. It's all on the back of my hands running. Yeah, it smells like candy. This don't really feel like a cleanser. It's not thick enough to be a cleanser, but this one is really light. It runs. When I do like this, it kind of dissolves in my hand. Like it's pretty much gone. Yeah, it's just, yeah, this is the lightest cleanser I've used. It literally feels like water. Okay, I feel like I'm about to use all of it just so I can get a good lather. Let me go wash this off and just see how my skin looks. But let's do it. All right, so it is rinsed off. I still smell it on my face. I don't know. I feel like they're not telling me everything that's in here because I still smell it and it's not the most pleasant. But anyway, let's go to the next thing. So we're gonna do the Melon Youth Serum. In the instructions, it said to apply 2 to 4 drops of serum. Less is more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that blended in very well. I like how it soaks in my skin. It's not a lot on my hands, even though I feel like it was a lot when applying it. It really soaked in my skin. I love me a serum. It smells like bubble gum. I feel like this whole product smells like candy and bubble gum. May not be the best, but we can see how this goes. That's why I'm doing a 10-day trial, because my initial feelings about it may change over the next 10 days. It's getting me very hydrated. I wonder how long this hydration will stay in my skin, but I do like it. The smell is not as candy smelling as that cleanser. So far, I like the serum better than the cleanser right now, but let's get to the last one. And the last thing will be the cucumber water cooler. And let's see how it sprays first. They said to apply 3 to 6 pumps of the toner. Keep skin hydrated and moisturized. Can be used as a daily refreshener or makeup setting spray. Ooh, okay. Let's see how it sprays before I... Okay, that's a good little shooter. That's a good little spray. This doesn't have a big smell, which I love. It is like a cucumber watery smell, which I like. The smell is not bad at all. I see the hydration. Okay, hydration. We see my face do smell like a lot of different fragrances are on there. It's the initial feel. I will be coming back in maybe an hour or 2, but just to show you guys how long this hydration is staying on my face. It's looking good. I love me a hydrated face. This is the first initial use. If you want to see what will happen in 10 days, stay tuned. Hey y'all, so it is day 3. I look a little rough, don't judge me. But I washed my face about 3 hours ago, and this is how my face looks. I used all the products, and look around my eyes. Like, they look so hydrated. That's what a lot of people lose their hydration, like around their eyes. Everywhere else is not as much. Well, yes, I do. I feel it, like, you know, on my chin, kind of on my forehead. So yeah, it holds moisture so much. I believe it's all that serum. I'm not sure if it is the cucumber water, but I know that serum is still on my face, and I love that. So I want to give y'all the updates I didn't before on that initial day. But yeah, this is how it looks right now with day 3. I'll be back. All right, so it is the final results and ratings of this product. It's been a nice little journey, no lie at all. But okay, so I just washed my face with the Hydro Foam cleanser. It still feel like it's pretty too thin. I feel like to give me a really good wash, but thin washes are excellent in the winter time when it's cold. But this won't be the go-to. You know, I probably would use it if I feel like my face is just so dry and I don't want to wash it. I just want to kind of like get some dirt off. I probably would use this, but it won't be my go-to, which is not a bad thing. Everyone is different. Everyone's skin is different. If you want to try this, definitely do. If you want a thin cleanser, definitely try this. I just personally wouldn't go to this, but it didn't break my skin at all. I'm still trying to get used to the smell because it is a lot. My face is not super dry, but I would give this a 5 out of 10. So let me continue my moisturizing, which will be the serum. I love this serum. This is the best product out of this whole kit. I love it. When I say the moisture stays on for a long time, one time I did this at night, and when I felt that moisture the next day, this is like 8 hours later, and I felt the moisture on my face, I'm like, yes, this would be a great product for the winter time or whenever it's cold. Like, this does wonders for my skin. I didn't break out with this as well. Doesn't smell, you know, too fragrant at all. It soaks in your skin. You look hydrated and not greasy. It doesn't feel greasy on my hands. It don't feel like I need to wash my hands afterwards. Like, this is a really great serum. I feel like they did great stuff with the serum. Yeah, it's what's up. So I would give the serum an 8.5 out of 10. Next will be the cucumber water. If you love rose water, you will love this cucumber water. My sister loves rose water, okay? I don't feel like it's a huge make or break in your skincare routine. I feel like you can go without it, but it still gives you great hydration. That's what I feel like this do. Like, if you just like out, or you just feel like you just need a little hydration to your face, spray this on, pat it in, and you're perfect. And I feel like it does a great job. I think I usually just do 5. And it hydrates, and I would just like pat it in like this. And that's been my regimen for the last 10 days. And I can see the hydration. The hydration stays. I love it. I just want a more of a deeper cleanser, and maybe like a lotion that I can like moisturize with like after the serum. But overall, using Jala Skin was a good experience. I was able to find this great serum. I wasn't too hyped about the wash, but that's okay. The cucumber water served its purpose. Well, what I would give the cucumber spray would be, I'll give it an 8. I'll give it an 8, because even though I'm not too big on like those watery sprays, I know they serve a purpose of hydration. So I'll give it an 8 because it definitely did what it's supposed to did. But overall, I enjoy using Jala Skin. It was cool, like cool. Y'all know my likes and dislikes about it, but overall it was good. But the entire kit, I would give it, because that moisturizer was nice. Overall, I'll just give it a flat out 7. I would recommend you use it if you love you some soft wash and extra hydration. Definitely recommend that. But I believe that is it. Look at this moisture. This moisture gonna be in my face for like 4 to 5 hours. I promise. But yeah, that is all for this review. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, you are the truest berry of the bunch. Thank you again. And I will see me in my next video.